Ready? Okay, this is Rascus. I'm going to be trimming his nails. He's not really good at it. Over here, I want to show you the clippers I use. These are plier type clippers. I don't use a guillotine type. You can see they're like little pliers. These are kind of like little slidey pliers. I like these better. This one has a little stop and a little stop so you don't get all the nail through it. With Rascus, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start on his back nails first. Oh, and you bring it back over here. Alright, here we go. This is Quick Stop. This is aseptic powder. This will stop whatever bleeds. I'm going to start with his back nails first. Got a picture of that? Let me hold it up. Okay. I'm going to keep a muzzle close by in case I need it. He's not very good at this. Rascus, don't touch stuff. This kind of muzzle doesn't clamp their nose shut. So you can, they can bark, they can pant, they can open their mouth, they just can't bite me. So just in case. I'm going to start on his back nails first. Come on, look, are you close enough to see his nails? You can kind of see where the Quick stops. It's kind of solid, almost solid pink. Let me see if it's over here. And then you can see where it gets a lot lighter. That light stuff is the overgrown nail. I'm going to make him stand up. Stand up, Rascus. Okay, now here he's on my grooming table. Stand up, Rascus. He has not been on my grooming table before. This helps dogs concentrate on things other than their nails. He won't stand up, so we'll do him sitting down. Grooming arm, grooming loop, to make him kind of stay in place since we can't swirl around and bite me right away. So, take his back nails first. I'm just using this towel so you can kind of see. I'm going to hold his foot. They don't like it. Put the nail up and just clip right up to where it gets dark. I'm just going to go ahead, and he's kind of squirreling around, so I'm just going to say, knock it off, Rascus. I'm going to go ahead and do it. No. No. As you can tell, my mom spoiled him. Stop. Good boy. That's good boy. Stand up. Maybe the other one. Stop. I kind of picked him because I knew he was going to be kind of bad. If he squirrels around and tries to nip at me, he's going to get in trouble. Stop. Good boy. Firmness. Good boy. No. Good boy. Watch your face. Good boy. A little too long. Good boy. If he bleeds, no big deal. Stop it. Good boy. You're getting in there. Oh, where's his last toenail? Good boy. Where's your toenail? Good boy, stay. Like I said, nobody likes it, so he's going to squirrel around a little bit. Good boy, stay. Oh, there it is. Good boy. Good boy. That was very good. So no bleeders. All right, so fine. He's just going to lay down there. We're going to see without him being attached to anything, if I can do his front. Knock it off. Good boy. Good boy. I do this a lot, so stop. Stop. I'll put the muzzle on you. You can see where it's darker, and this is good because this is how dogs act at home. It's darker, you can see kind of where the Quick starts underneath. Stop, Rascus. I'm just going to go right to that part. Nope. No. 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 Stop. Good boy. Stop. Good boy. You just lay down like a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You giving up? Okay. Well, he's giving up pretty nicely. But you can see this one's kind of cracked. I've left it growing a little too long. Good boy. You can see dark. Kind of goes to light underneath. That's right where the Quick is. You're going to miss that. Good boy. Kind of see that right there. Good boy, because you're really giving up. So a small amount of fight he gave me, and then I just kind of kept, stop. Kept at it. I got one. Stop it. Good boy. No blood? No blood. A lot of times if you think you're bleeding, you can touch the end, you can check your finger if there's blood. Stop. Good boy. Good boy. Brave boy. If he had been nippy, I would just have slipped the muzzle on him. Shoot. No big deal. Muzzle are no big deal. And that way, too, he can still swing around and smack you with his head, but he can't smack you with his teeth. Good boy. I was hoping to bleed one, but maybe we won't. Hang on, I want to get Bailey out. Come here, Rascus. Get off the table. Stand up. Good boy. Let me get Bailey out. Oh, poor. Goodness. Okay. Bailey, come here. Stay. Alright. Go ahead. Do something else. Right, can you see that? Again, I'm going to start on her back nails. Sometimes the back nails are shorter because they push off the ground. See, she doesn't like it either, but I've been doing her nails for a long time. Sometimes you can kind of prop the leg up on your leg. And if you have trouble with black nails, they have white nails. Bailey, stop. Do the white nails first, and then go into the black nail. So the white nails, you can see where, stop Bailey, it's dark pink, and it kind of goes to a bright white. The bright white is what you want to clip off. Your front. Good girl, Bailey. Bailey won't bite, but she'll put her nose right in the way. So Bailey's the type of dog you might need a muzzle for, because she might like lick the clippers. Stop. No. Bailey, stop. No. Good girl. Not. Nail trimming. Nails. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Stop being squirrely. The cat's going to come out now. Now the other one. Good girl. Are you close enough, Pat? So they can see?
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually going to try to, maybe I'll try to bleed one. Okay, I want to bleed one. Oh, her nails are too short to bleed. Ah, sorry, Billy. Let me see if I can bleed this one. It's a little longer. Oh, so, if you bleed a nail, her nails are really short. Let's try to bleed a black one. Good girl. Jeez, Bailey. Oh, there, I got a bleeder. Yay! Alright, so if you bleed a nail, she didn't even care. You can see it's bleeding right there. I'm just going to touch it so I can show you. Oh, blood. So it always looks worse than it is. There it goes. Nice and pumping out there. So what you want to do with the Quick Stop, shake them out. Keep it away from the dog. It can be a little stingy. I'd use this on myself. Usually I kind of blot the blood, take a pinch, put on the bleeding, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like another little bleeder. Stop. Get your nose out of there. It tastes really bitter. Most dogs don't like to lick it, but they will. Good girl, stay. Stop, stop, stop. Thank you. So sometimes if you put Quick Stop on, they'll like squeal a little bit because it surprises them because it's stingy. Cat, get away from her tail. And then if you bleed them, just don't go jogging with them later so it opens up. So there, it's all stopped. That'll be fine. She felt a little bit, didn't really care. Let me just check the front, make sure you didn't bleed that one. Oh, that one's a little teeny bleedy. So don't lick it. Stop. Good girl. Good girl, Bailey. You're very brave. There. Alright, she's all done. Alright, put you on the floor. Alright, great. There you go.